I, Suresh Rangani, Executive Director of Finance, Bokaro Steel Plant Steel Authority of India Limited, extend a warm welcome and heartiest welcome to all the participants of 62nd National Cost and Management Accountants Convention, NCMAC 2025. The imperative role of CMAs in the nation building is manifested encompassing statutory role, proactive role, strategic and legal consultancy. The NCMAC event for May 23-25 in Bhubaneswar, it provides an opportunity for the young talent CMAs to learn from expertise of the stalwarts of the profession. This platform provides a golden opportunity to foster a culture of excellence, innovation and collaboration, ultimately contributing to the nation's economic prosperity at large. CMA offer a deep expertise in the areas such as cost control, risk management, regulatory compliance, project appraisal, etc., ensuring that organization remain financially strong while embracing the innovation and national responsibility, in addition to the productivity and techno-economic benefits of the organization and nation at large. I wholeheartedly congratulate all the delegates from across the globe participating in NCMAC 2025, scheduled to be held from May 23rd to 25th 2025 in Bhubaneswar, and express my best wishes on my own behalf and on behalf of Bokaro chapter of Cost Accountants and Bokaro Steel Plant for the grand success of the event. At the same time, I just want to mention here that the topics chosen for these conventions are really apt, on which the in-depth deliberation is scheduled to be held. That is on the total cost management, perpetual cost management, navigating the direct and indirect tax landscape, corporate excellence, in specific reference to the CMAs and their vision, financials and AI in accounting, recipe of the financial reporting, Ind AS, BRSR and ESG. These are the topics which are apt at current times, and I'm sure that this convention is going to benefit the participants at large, and in terms once they go back to the workplace, their organization, and even for the practicing cost accountants, it will benefit a lot for their organization, their office, their jobs, as well as country at a large. I once again wish best of luck for this convention. Thank you very much.